Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my complete CVS haul for this week. I'm a little late because I had some technical difficulties. So if you want to see how I picked up all of these items for free and made $4, keep on watching. Okay guys, we are at CVS and I am starting with the Maybelline deal. So Maybelline is buy two, get $5 back. I am picking up two of these eyeshadows at $4.29. That's gonna be $8.58. I'm gonna use this $5 instant coupon that's printing for everyone. I'm gonna pay $3.58 and get $5 back, making it a $1.42 moneymaker. Okay guys, so my store only have two of the Wet n Wild sets. I was gonna pick up three, but I'm gonna pick up two at $4.99, which is gonna be $9.98. When you buy one, you get a $4 extra care back. So I'm picking up two at $9.98. I have a 4 off of 10 Wet n Wild CRT. I'm gonna pay $5.98 and I'm gonna get $8 back, making it free and a $2.02 moneymaker. The girl is buy two, get $7 back. I'm picking up two of the pencils at $6.29. One of these liners at $7.99. The total is gonna be $20.57. I have a 8 off of 20 CRT and I'm gonna use three of these manufacturer coupons. I'm gonna pay $3.57, getting $7 back, making them all free and a $3.43 moneymaker. I'm picking up two of the Neutrogena makeup wipes. Neutrogena is buy two, get $6 back. I'm picking up two at $7.49, which is gonna be $14.98. I have a 3 off of 2 Neutrogena coupon. I have a 3 off of 1 and I also have a $3 off Neutrogena CRT. I'm gonna pay $5.98, getting $6 back, making it free and a 2-cent moneymaker. I'm gonna do the Vaseline deal. Vaseline is spend $12, get $4 back. I'm picking up two of the large ones at $7.99. The total is gonna be $15.98. I have a $2 off Vaseline CRT, a 3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, and a $1.50 off of 1. I also have a $3.50 off of 15 lotion. Total is going to be $15.98. I'm going to pay $5.98, getting $4 back, making it just $1.98 for two of these large bottles. I am picking up two of the Cottonelle at $10.49. When you spend $20, you get $5 back. I have a 4 off of 20 CRT, and I have one of these 55-cent coupons. I try to print two, but for some reason only one printed. I'm gonna pay $16.43, getting $5 back, making it $11.43 for both.
You need to go print out a copy of your receipt. I'm sorry about that.
Okay, next I am picking up two of the Ghirardelli Chocolates at $2, and I have this $2 off CRT, which is going to make them both free. Hey guys, I'm picking up two of these Beauty 360 cutting rounds at 2 for $7, and one of the cotton balls at $2.99. Total for three is going to be $9.99. I have a 2 off of 10 360, and I have 4 $1 off CRTs. I'm gonna pay $3.99, getting $3 back, making it just 99 cents for all three. Okay guys, so this is on my second card. I am picking up 3 of the Vaseline and 2 of the Nivea. 3 at $4.79 and 2 at $5.99. I have a 4 off of 20 lotion CRT. I have a 3 off of 2 Vaseline and a $1.50 off of 1. There is a $2 off of the Nivea digital, and I have 2 of these paper coupons. Hopefully they all come off together. I'm gonna pay $12.50 if it does not come off. If it does come off, I'm gonna pay $11.85, getting $10 back, making the final cost just $1.85 for all. I'm picking up one of the Hydro at $10.99. I have a $4 off CRT as well as 2 $3 manufacturer coupons. Hopefully it comes off, and one of the Chic Extreme at $10.49, and I have two $3 off coupons as well. Total for both is going to be $21.48. If they all come off, I'm going to pay $5.48, getting $10 back, making it free, and a $4.52 moneymaker after I get that $10 back. For the Crest deal, it's buy two, get $3 back. I am picking up 4 at $2.99. The total is going to be $11.98. I have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon and a 2 off of 1 digital coupon. I'm going to use one of these for the extra one. I'm going to pay $5.98, getting $6 back, making them all free. Okay guys, so this is my spend 30, get 10 deal. I'm picking up 2 of the Silhouette at, well, 4 of the Poise at $6.49. And I am picking up 1 of the Gain at $4.94. The total for everything here is going to be $30.90. I have a $3 off Poise CRT. I have a 4 off of 12 adult CRT. There's a 5 off of 2 Poise digital, as well as a $2 digital. There's a 5 off of 2 Depends and a $2 off Depends. So I'm going to pay $6.90, getting $10 back. I'm also going to use this $3 on the Gain. So I'm going to get $10 back, making it a $3.10 moneymaker. Okay, so I didn't go through the small Gain. They are $2.94, and when you spend 10, you get $2 back. I picked up 4 at $11.76. I used 4 of these $2 paper coupons. I paid $3.76 and got $2 back, making the final cost just $1.76 for 4. Okay, so I'm going to go through my spend 30, get 10. I did my second card in the video. I picked up 3 of the Gain fireworks at $4.94 and 1 of the L'Oreal Age Perfect at $18.99. So the total for 4 of them were $33.81. I had a 5 off of 15 L'Oreal, and I had 2 $6 off Age Perfect CRTs. I used 3 of the $3 coupons for the Gain, and my total came down to $7.81. I paid that and I got $10 back, making my deal a $2.19 moneymaker. Next, the Root Touch-Up. They're 2 for $15, and I picked up this Nexus on clearance for $7. So both of them together came to $22. $22. I had a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, and I used a $5 printable from coupons.com for 2 of these, and the digital came off as well. There was a $3 coupon for the Nexus. So my total came down to $2.01. So these 3 together were $2.01 because that digital came off as well. Now for this, I had a $3 off CRT. This is $3.19 minus that $3, making it 19 cents. In the video, this would have been a moneymaker, but both of the coupons did not come off. And my 3 off of 15 Chic did not come off either. So it ended up costing me $1 and change, which is still not bad. I believe that is everything. I went through everything in the video. Everything was, all of the beauty items were moneymaker. Oh, I didn't go through the Dove. So the Dove is buy one, get one 50% off. And you get $3 back. I picked up 2, one at $7.99, one at $3.99, making it $11.98. I had 2 $2 off of 1, and I had a 2 off of 10 Dove CRT. So I paid $5.98, got $3 back, making it just $2.98. And this is what I use, so I don't mind paying for that at all because I used to pay full price. And that is everything. If there's any questions, please don't forget to ask me in the comment section down below. I will be happy to answer any of your questions. I believe, on my second card, I picked up the Baby Lips at $4.79. So that was also a moneymaker. It's $4.79 each, and I used that $5. I paid $4.58, and I got $5 back, making it a 42-cent moneymaker. So that is everything I picked up, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If there's any questions, again, don't forget to ask me in the comment section down below. Okay, guys, so for my card, I received a $9 extra bucks already because my deals I did on Monday. For some reason, my second card was having a lot of problems and I couldn't do any deals at all because it was showing no CRTs, nothing at all. I had to call customer service and get that straightened out. So a lot of my extra bucks, a lot of my CRTs expired. So I did the deals yesterday. Now, yeah, so a lot of them expired, so I couldn't do some of the deals on my second card. I'm going to get back $9 as well on my second card. So the total for everything here is $4.70. So $4.70, and I'm going to get back $9, which is going to make it a $4.30 moneymaker. So everything here was completely free, and I made $4.30. This is everything I picked up at CVS this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.